class 9th. Welcome back to English class. Today we are doing our poem from your Beehive book, and this is called Wind. Book Beehive, subject English, class 9th. Let's come to the topic now. Wind. So here wind is a symbol of difficulties and obstacles in our life. This poem is written by सुब्रमण्यम भारती. किसने लिखी है ये पोएम? सुब्रमण्यम भारती ने लिखी है. He is the writer of this poem. So, the poet has drawn the living picture of wind, which makes fun of the weak people or things. So, he suggests being strong physically and mentally. Actually, the wind is the symbol of difficulties or obstacles human have to face for their survival. The first part of the poem describes the action of the wind. Our bodies and hearts should also be strong. It is the way of the world to kick the weak and to be friends with the strong. So, what we have to try to be the strong one. Let's start the poem. Your wind. Wind means air, you can say hawa. So the wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. How can we make friends with it? Let's start. Here, wind means air. Wind comes softly, don't break the shutters. Wind comes softly, don't break the shutters. And so, wind comes softly, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, and don't throw down the books on the shelf. Here, softly. Softly means, here softly means slowly. Softly means slowly. And another word, shutters. Here another word, shutters. Shutters means doors. And scatters. Scatters means spread. किसी चीज़ को फैलाना, spread. And another word, shelf. Shelf means mental pieces, you can say. So, here the poet asks the wind to come gently so as not to break the shutters of the windows, not to scatter the papers or throw down the books on the shelf. The poet makes a reference to the fact that weak things like the window panes and papers are susceptible to break before the power of wind. तो हवा को इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहा है पोएट कि हवा मंद मंद चलो, धीरे धीरे बहो. खिड़कियों को बंद करने वाले झांप, यानी कि खिड़की जिससे बंद होती है और वह खुलती है, वह लोहे और लकड़ी का जो फ्रेम होता है उसे मत तोड़ो. और पेजेस को, जो पृष्ठ होते हैं, पेपर्स जो होते हैं, उनको मत बिखेरो. शेल्फ से पुस्तकें नीचे मत गिराओ. देखो तुमने क्या क्या तुमने कर दिया है, किताबों को नीचे गिरा दिया है और तुमने जो किताबें हैं उनके पृष्ठ जो हैं फाड़ दिए हैं. सो इन अनदर पैरा, देयर लुक व्हाट यू did you threw them all down? You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You were very clever at poking fun. And weakling. So here the word tore. Here word tore. Tore means, you can say, to cut apart. Tore means to cut apart. Poking fun. Another word, poking fun. Poking fun means laughing at. किसी का मजाक उड़ाना, हंसना किसी पर. Weakling. Weakling means the weak. कमज़ोर इंसान, जो कमज़ोर है उसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. So the poet expresses his displeasure at the disturbances caused by the wind. Gusty wind has thrown down his things and the pages of his books are torn. And it is almost, you can say it is also brought rain along to make things even worse. So अब हवा अपने साथ साथ बारिश भी ले आई है और ज़्यादा उसने सिचुएशन को डिफ़िकल्ट कर दिया है. And the poet sincerely feels that the wind mocks at those who are weak and frail. मतलब कवि को ऐसा लगता है, पोइट को ऐसा लगता है कि जो हवा है यानी कि जो डिफ़िकल्टीज़ हैं जो हमारी लाइफ में, वो कमज़ोर लोगों का मजाक उड़ाती हैं. जो लोग कमज़ोर होते हैं, जो बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाते हैं उस चीज़ को, उनका वो मजाक उड़ाती हैं. ऐसा कवि को फील होता है. Here, frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind god winnows and crushes them all. So here, frail. Word frail means, you can say, fragile. Here, frail means fragile. Another word, rafter. Rafter means a wooden beam. Rafter means a wooden beam. Then word crumbling. Crumbling means decaying or breaking up. तोड़ देना. Winnow. Winnow means to separate. To separate the things. आप बोल सकते हैं भूसे से अनाज को निकालना. That is also winnowing. So, the poet says that anything that is weak and frail is subjected to destruction by the power of wind. यानी कोई भी इंसान जो कमज़ोर है, जो सहन नहीं कर सकता किसी भी तरीके की परेशानी को, तो क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा हवा का झोंका आएगा और उसे बर्बाद कर देगा. So the weak built houses, doors and beams of building shatter to pieces as they cannot face the power of gusty wind. A similar effect can be seen on the people with weak bodies, hearts and souls. And powerful wind does not pity the weak and dashes them all to the ground. परेशानी और मुसीबत जो आती है वो गरीब या ताकतवर देखकर नहीं आती है, वो सबको धराशायी कर देती है. जो डिफ़िकल्टीज़ होती हैं वो सबको बर्बाद कर देती है. Now, next para. He won't do what you tell him. He won't do what you tell him. So come let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly, practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. So here the meanings, joint means link. Joint means link. Another word, firmly. Firmly means this firmly means strongly. Firmly means strongly. Then steadfast means firm. So here the wind is merciless and it is merciless. It does not mercy you. So the wind is merciless and does not yield to our wishes or desires. जो हवा है, परेशानी है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा निर्दयी है और वो हमारी इच्छाओं को, हमारी विशेस को कोई ध्यान नहीं देती. मतलब उसे हमें सिर्फ बर्बाद करना है. It blows with the force and tumbles down everything weak that comes on its way. and therefore we must be ready to face this force and build ourselves strong enough not to be harmed by wind. हमें खुद को इतना मजबूत बना लेना है कि मुसीबत चाहे कैसी भी हो, कुछ भी हो जाए, हम उससे हार नहीं मानेंगे. Here the poet indirectly referred to adverse circumstances of life, and these adversities sometimes break us down physically, mentally, and emotionally. But if we are well prepared, then we can brave these moments and come out of such circumstances without being harmed much. So now do this and the wind will be friend with us. The wind blow out weak fires, he makes strong fires roars and flourish. His friendship is good and we praise him every day. We praise him every day. So here the words means blows out. Blows out means, this word blows out, it means to extinguish. Blows out means to extinguish. And roar and flourish means resound and thrive. Roar and flourish means resound and thrive. So in these lines, we should make ourselves strong enough to face all kind of difficulties in life, as wind blows out weak fires, but it rather acts as bellows to increase the intensity of flames. If the fire is strong, similarly, adversities make us stronger. If our hearts are strong, but these adversities will shatter us down if we show weakness of heart and spirit before them. तो क्या मतलब इस पोएम से हमें सीखने को मिला? हमें ये सीखने को मिला कि जितनी भी परेशानियां हमारी लाइफ में आती हैं वो हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाती हैं और हमें खुद को इतना मजबूत बना लेना है कि कुछ भी हो जाए लाइफ में, कैसी भी परेशानी आ जाए, हमें डटकर परेशानी का सामना करना है, क्योंकि परेशानियां जो होती हैं वो कमज़ोरों को ख़त्म कर देती हैं. और लेकिन अगर हम स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, हमारा हार्ट से, बाय स्पिरिट और बाय बॉडी हम फिज़िकली भी स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं और मेंटली भी स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, तो हम हर एक परेशानी को, हर एक हवा का झोंका, जो खतरनाक वाला झोंका जो आएगा, उससे हम खुद को बचा सकते हैं. सो दिस वाज योर पोएम स्टूडेंट्स. इट वाज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड गिविंग अ ब्यूटीफुल मैसेज दैट वी शुड ट्राई टू बिकम द स्ट्रॉन्ग वन. एंड ऐसा बनना चाहिए कि हम किसी भी परेशानी का लाइफ में सामना कर पाएँ. नाउ दिस इज़ योर पोएम एंड इट इज़ डन. नाउ यू हैव टू try to write the summary of the poem in your own words. You have to learn all the word meanings of this poem. That's it for today. Bye for now. Have a nice day.